Welcome back to Health Neighborhood, your source for the latest health and fitness information. Today we're covering how to lose weight with the DASH diet. Weight loss has been the major talk in forums and social media these days. People are desperately looking for ways to keep their body in shape. There are several trendy weight loss fads, however, most come at a cost and are mostly time-demanding. Today, we will introduce you to a practical weight loss approach that you've not heard of as often. Do you need an effective way to lose weight fast? You feel those rigorous exercises and food diet programs disgust you? Well, doctors say that there is an effective way to improve your overall health condition. This way, according to the National Institute of Health, is effective. It was rated 4 out of 5 in weight loss effectiveness. In another survey, out of 40 diets evaluated, it was picked as number 1. So what exactly is this plan? It is called the DASH diet. DASH diet is alternatively known as the dietary approaches to stop hypertension. U.S. News and World Reports have consistently ranked it as a top diet. It majorly helps to decrease heart disease risk and improves heart health. Further studies have revealed it's effective for weight loss, and this comes as no surprise. It was specifically developed to reduce blood pressure in those with hypertension. It is unlike other diets that call for extreme calorie or food group restrictions. The DASH diet involves making slight but manageable dietary changes. These changes are flexible and rooted in proven nutritional advice. We will examine the DASH diet and how to lose weight with it. This quick overview will cover the following areas that we'll break down. What exactly is the DASH diet? What are the benefits of the DASH diet? How to follow the DASH diet plan? Do I need to exercise on the DASH diet? Firstly, what exactly is the DASH diet? DASH diet is recommended for people who want to prevent or treat hypertension. It also helps to reduce the risk of heart disease. This diet has been around for 2 decades, and studies have shown that it is very useful for weight loss. The diet plan is relatively simple and different. It changes your lifestyle completely, but most importantly, it guides people about something, and that's taking care of their eating habits throughout their lifetime. Interestingly, the DASH diet does not involve cutting or starving. To satisfy your cravings, you can have your tasty dishes, although at minimal quantity. Now you know what the DASH diet is, let's discuss the benefits. What are the benefits of the DASH diet? The DASH diet is primarily used to reduce blood pressure. Further studies prove that it's useful for weight loss. This diet also resolves tons of other health issues. The potential health benefits include weight loss, even for those with obesity, decreases heart disease risk, lowers the risk of type 2 diabetes, reduces cholesterol, prevents stroke and heart failure. We will move to an important tip, and that's how to follow the DASH diet plan. The diet started after some researchers' review. These researchers noticed that high blood pressure was much less common in people who followed a plant-based diet, such as vegans and vegetarians. This led to further study on how to ascertain this finding. The result gave birth to the DASH diet. The DASH diet doesn't list specific foods to eat. Watch as we guide you on how to make your diet more DASH-like. A DASH diet plan recommends specific portions from a variety of food groups daily. As everyone has different calorie needs, you can reduce it based on what you need. Specifically, DASH puts limits on sugar, and it also curtails sodium intake to a maximum of 2,300 milligrams per day. The diet is intended to be part of a lifestyle, one that modifies your lifestyle entirely and reduces alcohol consumption. This diet emphasizes stress reduction, physical activity, not smoking, and most importantly, getting plenty of sleep. In short, it's not just an interval-specific diet. DASH is meant to be followed over the long haul. DASH diet balances and regulates all the necessary nutrients and minerals. Minerals like calcium, potassium, protein, and fiber responsible for brain and overall organ function. It also improves the condition of the hair and skin. The DASH diet emphasizes fruits and vegetables. Those who have successfully lost weight on the DASH diet have been in a controlled calorie deficit, meaning they were told to eat fewer calories. Likewise, their diet must be low in red meat, salt, added sugars, and fat. That said, you realize there are no set foods on the DASH diet. You can adapt your current diet to the DASH guidelines by doing the following. Number 1. Avoid the following foods: fast foods and chips, alcohol, canned foods, fatty meats, soda, candies, and cookies. Number 2. Consider the following foods for your DASH diet, but remember, there are no quick results. You must practice this consistently. Cereals, seeds, beans, vegetables and fruits, lean meat, choose fat-free or low-fat dairy products, choose lean protein sources like fish, poultry, and beans, cook with vegetable oils. It's recommended you stick to low-calorie drinks like water, tea, and coffee. Lastly, we will talk about the importance of exercises in the DASH diet plan. Exercise and the DASH diet. The DASH diet is more effective when paired with any physical activity. Given the independent benefits of exercise on health, this comes as no surprise. Try out 30 minutes of moderate activity a few times per week. Just try to be consistent. It is essential to choose something you enjoy to keep it up. With everything listed about DASH diet, are you discouraged? Don't be. DASH diet scored a 4.4 out of 5 in the category of easiness to follow, according to an expert review. So, if you stick to a few of the guidelines we presented, your weight loss goal will be achieved. Take it one day at a time, and you can do this. Remember to take action, as that's the most important part of any plan to lose weight and be fit. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell so you can stay on top of our latest content. Check out some of our best weight loss programs in the section below. Thank you for watching.